What's up everyone, 3D Print 747 here, back again with another video. So I posted a short earlier that said that I had a new project on the way, and unfortunately that project is going to fall through. I did, however, print with a new filament that I haven't used before. About a year ago, year and a half, Bambu sent out a coupon for their customers that bought printers within a certain amount of time or something. A coupon that allowed you to get like 2 free rolls of filament. And you can see here, well, you can't see here because of the camera. It's PLA-CF, so it's PLA carbon fiber. I can't get the camera any closer, but burgundy red. They're matte colors. The one that I used, actually this is blue in here. I opened the blue by mistake. I wanted to print in red. So here's the blue in here, and you can see it's called Blue Jean. So it's like a matte blue. It printed really, really well. No problems at all. And I was going to make a pedal board for my guitar pedals, and just the 256 by 256 wasn't big enough, but I thought it would be, but it wasn't. But here is what it ended up looking like. And you can see there's absolutely no layer lines. This thing looks amazing. This is like a perfect print. That's beautiful. So I highly recommend this PLA carbon fiber. I didn't have to do anything, didn't have to vent it outside. I did print and then go to bed, but it's PLA with, I guess, carbon fiber infused in it. And this thing is like really strong. It's not breaking at all. So if you guys are looking for a new filament for something strong, like stronger than PETG, I highly recommend this filament. I used a 15% infill and 4 walls on this, just because I thought I was going to be stepping on it all the time. But again, it's not big enough, so it's going to go in the dumpster. But there are no layer lines, and I did a 0.28 layer height, and it's just beautiful. The way the matte hides the layer lines, it's just amazing. It looks like it's like injected ABS. It doesn't look like a 3D print at all. Extremely happy with it. So check it out, guys. If you haven't used this yet, give it a shot for anything that you need to have strength with. That's not going anywhere. This is so strong. I wish I could use it. Yeah, disappointing. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and go check out BambuLab's PLA-CF. And in my opinion, I'm going to start using this probably for stuff outside and for anything with strength. I did a post about 6 months ago where I printed some stuff from my sprinklers outside, and those things broke. So I might go ahead and use this and replace everything that broke, and see how things turn out. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.